Gusto mo ba na may pumapasok pa ding money sa'yo kahit tumigil ka na sa pag-work? It's not a fantasy. It's passive income. So, for the past 10 years ko sa Sun Life, I've helped clients to build their long-term plans using mga investment-linked product and mga products na may lifetime guaranteed cash benefit. Nag-iipon sila ngayon para sa future nila, meron na silang monthly income kahit hindi na sila nagtatrabaho. So, anong nagiging effect sa kanila? Number 1, tuloy-tuloy ang income. Number 2, afford na nila ang early retirement. And number 3, pahinga mode na sila sa mga work nila. Guys, it's not a magic. It's a smart planning while you're still earning. With the right plan, you can prepare for your retirement, education, building your dream house, or any life goals. So message me to know more about Sun Life product and let's create a plan that lets you earn while you rest. Bye!